This right here is why we don't crawl. Stand up. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every
Time to sit, yeah?
Wow!
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Q, my child is completely fine.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, you know, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
If I catch you on that kitchen counter again, it's me and you. I'm putting you out. Listen to me. I'm putting you out in the hallway next time I catch you on that kitchen counter. You hear that? You know I love you, boy. Yeah? You know I love a boy? Yes? I love my boy now. Yeah.
He's really close to the edge. Gruffalo, are you okay?